Have you ever tried creating your own music without a music producer? Well, today I'll be showing you Coco Music AI, a very powerful tool that helps you create your music without needing a music producer. It is fast and it creates in minutes. Let me show you how it works. This is the prompt I will be using. With your knowledge of Glittar's group, give me a good prompt 500 characters maximum. I used 500 characters because that's what OpenAI can accommodate. Moving on. Characters I can use in Open Music AI to generate a music that's aimed towards telling Nigerian business owners how we can help them scale. And here is the prompt. It already looks wonderful. So next we copy the prompt and go directly to Open Music to create this magic. As you can see, it has many features like music generator, vocal remover, songwriter, and the rest. You can just feel free to explore the website. The link will be in the description box. And back to the dashboard, all we need to do is to click the AI music generator and it brings us to where we would paste our prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. Then we click generate music. It shouldn't take much time, just that my network is a bit slow today, but not long anyway. Remember to explore this, just use the link in the description box to do so. Wow, it's almost ready. 2 different music generated. Now let's start with the first one. Wow. This is very cool. The vocals are so clear. Your brand feet talk louder when the right people did it. Nobody am alone. Let the pressure drop for ground. We feel build and better. We feel turn it all around. Glittarz group, grow with us. Glittarz group, grow with us. More sales, more reach, more trust, more streets. Glittarz group, grow with us. Glittarz group, grow with us. Your brand go rise, your markets go open wide. From the first small order to the next big sale, we go shape your message, make your offer loud and clear. Now kids, check the second one. Honestly, having this kind of music without any musical knowledge is what baffles me. Remember to explore this, just use the link in the description box to do so. Let the pressure drop for ground. We feel build them better. We feel turn it all around. Glittarz group, grow with us. Glittarz group, grow with us. More sales, more reach, more trust, more streets. Glittarz group, grow with us. Glittarz group, grow with us. Your brand go rise, your market go. Amazing and quite easy, right? If you'd like to try Open Music AI for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Do not forget to subscribe to Glittarz TV so you don't miss out on informative and educational posts like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Brought to you by Glittarz TV, where smart minds learn how to sell anywhere and anytime. Your comments will help push this video to more audience that needs it. Like and subscribe too. See you in the next episode. Bye.